As someone that has been consistently uploading video on YouTube for the past 4 years, these are the 3 things I think you should never do on YouTube if you actually want to grow on YouTube. Like, make sure that these 3 things I'm about to mention are things you should take notes about, and trust me, your growth process will definitely not be an issue for you. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. The first thing you should never do on YouTube is to delete your content and you upload your content thinking that particular content will actually give you views. I've seen a lot of content creators actually do this because they feel like they uploaded the content and the content is not doing well. So the only option for them is for them to delete the content and then re-upload the content. Trust me, instead of creating good things to your channel, you're causing more damage and harm to your channel, and at the end of the day, your channel can actually be shadow banned. Do not delete content no matter what the reasons are. Even if you have copyright claim on a particular video, YouTube has actually made a provision for you to be able to remove those copyright claim without having to delete the video. Now, the only option you have in deleting a particular video is when you find out that a particular video can actually give you a strike on your channel. So you can go ahead and delete it. But in all of that, even if that video is having 0 views, 1 views, less than 100 views, I advise you to leave that video if you know that fully well that video did not violate anything on YouTube. A video that did not actually go viral today, that same video can start performing better tomorrow. I have videos like that on my channel that, as I'm talking to you guys now, those are the videos that is actually helping me to cash out. These are videos I uploaded years ago that were not doing anything, we're not having views, we're not even going anywhere, but currently right now they are the top most search even when I'm checking my analytics. So do not think that because a video is not doing well today, you want to just go ahead and delete them. You are causing more harm to your channel than good. That can lead you to shadow ban. That can even help YouTube not even recommend your videos again at all, and you get frustrated. The second thing you should never ignore doing on YouTube if you are a content creator is do not fail to create a playlist so that you can seamlessly arrange your videos according to what kind of topic you are dealing on with your channel. And also do not fail to put your end screens and cards. Why I'm always talking about these 3 things is because these are one of the major key things that YouTube actually use to help a lot of creators recommend their content. Cards are those kind of stuff you're going to be seeing here recommending a particular video that a creator have on their channel that you need to see as a viewer. While end screens are those ones you will see at the end of every single person's video that is actually using it. YouTube recommending a particular video for you. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of people are doing is putting the wrong end screens and cards to their video. And if you do that, at the end of the day, people watching your videos will not even have the intention of clicking your cards or clicking your end screen for them to watch. Now, while you are creating playlists, if you're done creating your playlist, during the process of putting your cards, ensure that every single thing you are using is your playlist cards. That is why you cannot watch my video and don't see a particular card here. And if you see a particular card on my videos, it simply means it is a playlist card you are seeing on how much YouTube pay me videos, on how to grow on YouTube. And if a particular viewer click on that particular card to go and watch, YouTube will give that particular viewer from one video to another. This is one of the good strategies that a lot of content creators are using to grow on YouTube that you think that it is not useful. Make sure you create playlists according to the kind of videos that you have. Make sure you put your cards, and during the process of putting your cards, you're using those playlists as your card, and make sure that your end screens are well optimized. Tell YouTube to give you best for viewers and so on and so forth. If you do not know how to put the right cards, I'm going to do a screen record and attach it here to show you how to put the right cards on your video. So let's just go. Let me show you how to do that. You have to first of all go to studio.youtube.com, which is a desktop version of your YouTube studio, and go ahead and pick any video of your choice. So as you guys can see, this particular video is a new video that at the end of the day, I've not added cards and end screen, just the title and description. So what you need to do is to slide to this end here where you're going to be seeing end screens and cards. Go ahead and click on end screens. And if you click on end screens, allow this to load. And if you want to get the best out of this end screen, what you need to do for yourself is you're going to allow YouTube give you best for viewers. You're going to allow YouTube give you best. Okay, let's just do it like this. So if you click on your arrow here, so you go ahead and click on elements, go ahead and click on video. If you move your crosshair like this, go ahead and click on elements, go ahead and click on video. You can actually still do this one on just the same side because that is end screen for you. If you don't want to be moving them. Now the third thing is go ahead and click on elements. Go ahead now to click on playlists. Now if you click on playlist, choose the playlist that you know best fits, and then click on elements again. Now choose subscribe. Now these are the best ways for you to utilize your end screens. Okay, where you have here, if you can, as you can see here, you will see most recent upload. YouTube is going to be recommending your most recent upload to your viewers, and you can see here best for viewers. YouTube will recommend videos according to what they are watching. They're not going to be bringing something abstract that your viewers will not be interested in, and they're going to be seeing your playlist, which is a playlist that is actually linked to this particular all the videos that I'm talking about here, and then a subscribe button to always remind your subscribers to subscribe. So this is the best ways for you to use your end screens. Then you go ahead and save. Now the next thing you're going to be doing is to do your cards, and the cards is on the same location where you go ahead and click on cards. And if you click on cards, you let this load up like this. Now on this particular end, the only thing you are going to do on this your card end is to make sure that everything you're choosing is playlist. So you take your cursor to the first beginning end and choose any playlist of your choice. So I choose my playlist. So as I'm moving like this, I'm not choosing video, I'm not choosing anything, but everything I'm going to put in, they are just going to be my playlist alone. Now the joy of doing this playlisting alone is because at the end of the day, when a particular viewer enter your channel and then click on the cards to watch your videos, it is going to be playing from one video to another. You understand what I'm trying to say? And then I go ahead and choose playlist again, and then I choose the last playlist I want, then I go ahead to save. Now this is the joy of this particular one. Now let's go to YouTube and let's assume that I want to watch this particular video that I have here. So let me take it to the first version of the video. So if I take it to the first version of the video here and the video starts playing, this video has gotten 1,000 views. Can you guys see it? Now, the moment I click on the cards, you can see different of my videos that is here. The card is simply telling your viewers that these are videos that is here that they can actually watch, apps and website review, poppo live stream, and the rest of that. And you can see here, you can see the subscribe now button that is also showing here, and so on and so forth. So just imagine I click on this particular watch, it will start playing from one video to another. You can see these are my playlists, these are my videos in my playlist. It will start playing from one video to another. And don't forget that some persons can actually be watching your videos and then leave their phone to go and do one or two things. That means your videos will continue to play instead of another person's video playing. So let's get back to this video. After learning that, the next thing you should never ignore on YouTube if you really want to grow on YouTube is copy your competitors has that particular views that you are looking for and you are not getting. Your competitors are people that are doing well on this YouTube street. Do not compete or copy a competitor that the content is not doing well. Copy seamlessly, like in my words, I say steal from your competitors. And this simply means I didn't say you should go and take their videos and put on your channel. But what you can basically do is check why they are progressing, what they are doing specially, and what can you also do if you actually want to grow on YouTube. Now, check out how their thumbnails is being designed. Learn how to navigate their thumbnail to your own. Check out the kind of titles they are using. Learn how to use those same titles, not exactly, because I find out that one of the biggest mistake a lot of people is making is if a competitor actually creates a content of how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days, each and every one of those competitors will start creating how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. But yours should be like a twist. You can put how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days with Just use something that can actually spice up your channel, so that if YouTube is recommending your competitors' content, YouTube can actually recommend your own content. Now, a lot of people do not know how the algorithm works, and this is how the YouTube algorithm simply works, and it's facts. If me and you, we are doing the same kind of content, if YouTube is recommending my videos, YouTube will automatically be recommending your videos. Now, have you come across a particular video you're looking for? Probably you're checking out for how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, or how to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. And after searching it, you started watching it, and YouTube start recommending other videos like how to get 1,000 subscribers, to the point that even when you leave YouTube totally and then you come back again the next day, YouTube will recommend a content that is likely to what you have been watching on your YouTube feed, or on your YouTube channel, or on your YouTube home. Now, this is exactly what the algorithm is doing. So it simply means if you know your competitors very well and you are doing the same thing that your competitors are doing, as YouTube is recommending to your competitors' feed, they are definitely going to be recommending your videos, even with a small or little percent. So do not, I repeat, do not ignore your competitors in any way, because this is one of the things that is killing a lot of small channels. They just feel like they can do it on their own, but trust me, YouTube is not what you can do on your own. It is what you can come, bring your creativity, add it up to what your competitors have, and trust me, you will not regret it. If you use these particular 3 strategies that I've said in this particular video, skyrocketing on your YouTube channel, or getting that desired views, or that desired watch hour, or that desired money for you to always cash out every single month on YouTube will definitely not be a problem. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And if you're still struggling with your channel, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to do it, all you need to do is to check the mail that I always attach here, faith3195@gmail.com, where you can actually send us a mail where we'll personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, and what you can add. Some persons even personally tell me, Vibe, just check my channel to see what I am doing. Am I doing the wrong thing? Am I doing the right thing? Am I on the right track? Am I on the right? So that we can be able to check and also get some possible advice that can actually help you grow. With these same flyers that you're seeing here, and the what, and the thumbnail, that can actually help you go a long way by reaching out to us. Anyways, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.